What a volatile ride it has been in the market. Let's recap this year's highlights. February 12th, new all-time highs are hit in both the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones. The COVID-19 virus spreads all over the world, and in addition to the human tragedy, the stock market drops about 30% on the year, making it the fastest bear market in history. March 23rd, the market finally finds a bottom, and over the next 6 months, the market climbs its way back as people transition to a stay-at-home economy and fiscal and monetary policy support the markets. Then, the November election creates massive uncertainty, followed by promising news on the COVID vaccine front. But it doesn't stop there. Winter is coming. That's for our Game of Thrones fans. And without vaccines approved by the FDA and actively being administered into people yet, there's likely to be more volatility ahead. This year has tested every type of investor as they have stressed trying to find the stocks that would return hundreds or even thousands of percent on their investments. But it doesn't have to be that way. With the right tools, you can achieve the alpha you're looking for. Stick around and I'll show you how. Hey, I'm Daniel Snyder on behalf of Seeking Alpha. Today I want to tell you about a stock I found using Seeking Alpha's top-rated stocks that has returned 160% in just the last 6 months. And I won't keep you in suspense and hold off to the end of this video to tell you this stock. It's Twist Bioscience Corporation, ticker symbol TWST. Twist Bioscience is a company that is completely rethinking the way we store data. They created the ability to store digital data, traditionally a sequence of ones and zeros or bits, into a new code from the building blocks of our human DNA, which is A, G, C, and T. Then they print this data into a synthetic DNA strip, which can last thousands of years. And they created an encoding and decoding process that is error-free. This is huge, resulting in never losing any of the information. No more cyber attacks, no scratch hard drives, data that will last an extremely long time. And maybe you didn't quite understand all that, but one inspiring takeaway to remember is that this company just stored one of Netflix's new TV shows on a strand of man-made human DNA. Isn't it amazing what we can create by blending technology and science? What's more intriguing for us as investors, though, is that our Quant system, part of our top-rated stocks, flagged TWST as bullish on April 1st, when the stock price was just $28 per share, suggesting that there's a lot of potential, and that would have been a great day to take a deeper look into it. What is the Quant rating system? It's Seeking Alpha's proprietary investing algorithm that analyzes thousands of stocks every single day. It looks at thousands of data points and compares a stock with its industry peers. Then our system produces a rating that tells you the overall strength of a stock. And our Quant rating system has beaten the S&P 500 by over 500% in the last 10 years. Less than 3 months after the Quant rating system picked up on Twist Bioscience, the stock price had shot up to $40 a share. But it didn't stop its momentum there. By mid-November, this stock has shot up over $100 per share. Talk about alpha. A $10,000 investment in this stock would have returned almost 4 times your investment in half of a year. And this stock still has our rating trifecta, where the Seeking Alpha authors, Wall Street sell-side analysts, and our proprietary Quant rating system are all bullish or better. And this is just one of many high-flying stocks that our Quant rating got an early signal on. Here's another example. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, which has held a very bullish rating since the stock's low price of $43 in March. And now it's $100. Taiwan Semi is creating the microchips that are being used in everything, from personal computers to new video game consoles and 5G technology for the mobile phones of tomorrow. Or Green Brick Partners, which the Quant has been very bullish on since the share price was at $6 a share. And now it's over $20, just months later. That's over a 300% return. Green Brick is leading the way in home building and land development. We know that this sector isn't slowing down anytime soon, especially if the US immigration laws get another look from a new administration. The US could see an increased flow of immigrants that will all need a home. And we can do this over and over again. How about Celsius Holdings Incorporated, which was given a very bullish rating on June 8th, when the share price was $10, and now it's over $35 a share. With health becoming such a main focus in present-day society, the alternative soft drink market is seeing a huge boom. Go to your local store and you're sure to find a ton of new brands claiming you're putting something better into your body when you drink their product. Celsius has been a complete winner in the space and just had a fantastic third quarter earnings report, which sent the stock soaring 30% in less than a week. If you would have picked up any of these home runs, then you wouldn't be stressed like some people out there in this market. We're talking real money, real returns. Our top stock screener makes it super easy for you to find what stocks to buy. Our new #1 top rated stock right now is an interesting pick as well. It has the trifecta from the ratings, meaning all 3 ratings are bullish or very bullish. The share price is only in the teens. It's under Wall Street's price target, and the company is ranked #1 in their industry. If you want to see what the stock is, go ahead and sign up for your free trial of Seeking Alpha Premium. With Premium, you'll not only get access to our top stocks, but also unlimited access to all of our author research, upgrade downgrades alert for tracking the ratings of stocks, and plus an archive of data on stocks for the last 10 years. Look, as I said earlier, winter is coming. We have a lot of challenges to get through, and we all hope a vaccine will be available as soon as possible. In the meantime, there's likely to be a lot of market volatility. But from now on, you don't have to be in the dark about which stocks are strong and have great potential. Seeking Alpha's premium ratings let you know what the strengths and weaknesses are of every stock and which stocks are the strongest to buy. Sign up for your free 14-day trial of Seeking Alpha Premium and find the alpha that you've been looking for.